sound of that. Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Lord, I Just Want to Thank You. Guys, this is an oldie, but it's a goodie, and we're going to get into it. Nice hand clapping, foot stomping type song. And this was requested by YP. Thank you so much, YP, for giving us such an awesome song to work on today. We're going to get into it. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. All right, guys, we're in the key of D flat. That's D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, and D flat. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. As we always do, let's go ahead and crack our knuckles. Yeah. Let's stretch them out. And let's get ready to play Lord, I Just Want to Thank You.
I want to thank him for being so good. Anybody else have that same testimony? Come on, put your hands together. Let's go. Hey, Lord, I just want to thank you. Hey, Lord, I just want to thank you. Come on, help me say it. Come on, help me say it. Come on now. What do you thank him for? Thank you. So good to me. Hallelujah. Hey, Lord, I just want to thank you. Come on, clap your hands. Lord, I just want to thank you. Because he's been real good. Lord, I just want to thank you. Anybody want to thank you? Come on. Lord, I just want to thank you. What do you thank him for? For being so good to me.
That was Lord, I Just Want to Thank You. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we're starting off with Lord, I just want to thank you. Lord, I just want to thank you. All right, let me give you that. So all we're doing is we're on the 1. We're playing this nice chord right here. This is our E6 chord. Beautiful chord. And what we're doing is we're going, let me slow it down for you. We're going 1, 2 times. Then we're going 6, 5, 6, 7 flat, 6, 5, back to the 6. All right, now we're going to add one chord here, and that's this G flat major chord. We're going to add the G flat major chord only when you hit the 5. Let me slow it down. All right, guys, that's our groove. Beautiful groove. We're going to do that. But then we're doing this walk up. Beautiful walk up. Very gospel-like walk up. So we're starting on the 1. We're on our D flat 7 chord. We're going to our 2. We're playing this E flat 7 chord. Then we're going to our 3 flat and we're playing this E7 chord. Then we're going to our 3 and we're playing this F dominant 7 chord. Now we're on our G flat dominant 7 chord on the 4. They have this nice little walk down. Lord, I just wanna thank you. Beautiful. Let me give you that. Okay. So we're right here on the 4. We're going to our 3 flat. We're going to our 2. Going to our 2 flat. Going to our 1. We're going to our 7 flat. Then going to our 6. 5. Back to the 4. Then we're going. Let me give you that. We're going to our 6 flat. Right here on the 6, we're playing this nice D7 flat 5 chord. We're approaching our 2. Right here on the 2, we're playing this G diminished 7 chord. Approaching our 5. Right here on the 5, we're playing this A flat dominant 7 chord. And then we're going right back to our groove. All right. To get out of that, we go, I want to thank you for being so good to me. All right, let me show you what I'm doing. We're going to our 3. Right here on the 3, we're playing this D flat minor chord. Approaching our 6. Right there on the 6, we're playing this D7 flat 5 that we learned earlier. Approaching our 2. Right here on the 2, we're playing that G diminished 7. Approaching our 5. Now we're playing our A flat dominant 7 chord. Approaching our 1. And that's the D flat dominant 7 chord. And they just repeat that so good to me. So good to me. All right, what is that walk up? So we're doing the 3. We're playing this. We're staying right there on that D flat dominant 7 chord. Going up to our G flat dominant 7 chord on the 4. Then we're going to our E diminished 7 chord. And then we're right here on our D flat dominant 7 on the 5. And then we're just doing this cool walk up. Beautiful. Let me give it to you. 3, 4, 5 flat, 5. Nice C7 flat 5 chord right here on the 5. And then we just repeat it, guys. Learn. The end of the song, it just goes, Lord, I praise you. Lord, I praise you. Let me give you that. Beautiful, beautiful, but let me give it to you. We're just playing 2 chords, guys. We're playing our D flat dominant 7, and we're walking our bass up. That's the 1, 2, 3 flat, the 3. And then right here on the 4, we're playing our G flat dominant 7. And just keep walking up 6, 7 flat, 7, end on our 1. That's right back to our E6 chord. Guys, I hope this was a blessing and I hope it helped you out. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt you. I know things are getting good, but before we continue, come join our growing Numerical Melodies community on Facebook. I'm sharing all the songs I love to hear and play, and I hope you will too. Go check it out. And now, back to our lesson. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is stay in your lane. There's a lesson I learned years ago, one Sunday morning at church, that I still carry with me to this day. I was younger then, sitting at the organ, just doing what I loved, playing music and soaking in the service. That morning, a family friend came into church with us, a spontaneous guy who lived life to the fullest. But when testimony time came around, he stood up. Now, if you have ever been to a church testimony service, you know everyone's listening for that moment, that turning point where the story shifts and you know God did it. And let me tell you, this man delivered. He went from, I just want to thank the Lord, to full-blown preacher mode. He turned that testimony into a sermon. People were standing, shouting, clapping. I hopped right back on the organ and started playing. He had the whole church lifted up. Then my pastor stood up. Now I love my pastor, but preaching wasn't really his thing. He was more of a soft-spoken type teacher, but that day he tried to catch the fire. Let's just say it didn't land the same. That moment taught me to embrace who I am. Your voice, your story, your gift, it matters. And it carries the most power when it's authentic. You don't have to preach like them, sing like them, or speak like them. Just be you. Because when you do, God shows up. And sometimes, so does the organ. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and learning with me. I appreciate your time. And YP, thank you again for that awesome song. I hope that you request more. Guys, this is the time of the video I tell you that we are on the road to... Yep, I heard somebody say it, 1 million. Yep, let's give it up for the 1 million. And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. I would love it if you can hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. They tell me it takes 3 seconds. I believe it takes 3 seconds. I want you to believe it takes 3 seconds. Let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit the subscribe and you just hit the bell. Guys, you have just made my day, my month, my year. I appreciate you. And remember, you're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.